Hello, my slowly friends. Welcome back to day 5. Today, we're looking at movements to help us relieve stress and to allow us to connect to our breath. So, make sure that you've got a nice, sturdy seat, and let's get started. So, we're going to start today's session with a little kind of Qigong movement. So, what we're going to do is we're going to slide all the way to the back of the chair so that we can be fully supported. By all means, if you want to have a cushion to sit on or maybe behind your back, you definitely can do that. The purpose of this little movement is to just kind of find a little bit of flow and connection to our body, at the same time connecting to breath. So it's marrying movement with breath, and it just really allows the nervous system to feel calm, allow us to feel a little bit more grounded. Okay, so we're going to take the right palm and we're going to turn it upside down and just place it on the lap. So let the shoulders relax. Take an inhale and you're just nice and gently going to sweep the left arm up into the air, nice soft elbow. Bring it above the head and then let the hand come down through center on the exhale, nice and slow all the way down. Then we're going to replace the hand. So left palm's going to turn up. Inhale, we're going to take the right arm up, and exhale, come down through center. Switch again. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, bring it down. Switch again. Inhaling up and exhale, bringing it down. And then we're just going to keep that movement going. Find that flow. Move like water, just flowing nice and gently. A stream flowing nice and gently. Taking it up, bringing it down. Finding that connection to your breath. So as you move, breath is just fully married to that movement. Notice how that sweeping the hand in front of the face, down through that midline, is just bringing you into center, allowing you to feel fully centered and grounded. Now, if at any point you want to close your eyes here, then go for it. If you found that rhythm of flow, close the eyes and just keep it going. Perfect. Next time you bring your hand through center, you're going to then just rest both hands on the lap, palms facing up. Shoulders are relaxed here. And just continue to breathe just as you were. Tune in to how you're feeling. Notice any sensations that you're feeling through your body right now. If you're not really feeling anything, that's fine. Don't search for something that isn't there. If the mind wanders away from the breath, just bring it back nice and gently. Whenever you're ready, Take a little wiggle of your fingers, a little wiggle of your toes. Just turn the palms so they're resting now on your lap. And take a gentle blink open of the eyes if you did close them. Wonderful. Take a deep breath in. Sigh it out. And then just sit up from the back of the chair. Maybe you just scoot yourself forward just a little bit. We're going to drop the arms down by our sides and we're going to roll the shoulders up to the ears, rolling them back. Nice, soft, slow movement here. Take a couple more rolls here. Breathing in deeply. And then let's reverse the action. So taking those shoulder circles the other way. Perfect. One more rotation. Wonderful. Let's give ourselves some hugs now. So let's take the arms out into a T shape. Really extend and open the chest. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, bring it in for a hug. We're crossing the arms. We're giving ourselves a little squeeze, 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 squeeze. Inhale, we're going to open. This time, pull the arms back a little bit further. Squeeze those shoulder blades a little bit deeper. Exhale, bring it in. Give yourself a hug. Lovely. Give yourself that nice big squeeze. Inhale, we open. Same again. Squeeze the shoulder blades, pulling those arms back just a little bit further. And then bring it in for a hug. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Two more. Inhale. Exhale, hug it out. Lovely. Inhale, open. And then exhale, hug it out. Perfect. Inhale, open. Just one last little open, open, open. And then inhale, take the arms up into the air. Big reach up. And exhale, bring your hands down to your knees. Straight into a cat-cow now. Bring the chest forwards. Little gaze up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, we're bringing it forwards. And exhale, we are rounding it out. Inhale, bring it forwards. Exhale, round it out. Two more, bring it forwards when you're ready. Exhale all the way as that spine fully round, stretching out each of your vertebrae. Last one, inhale forwards. And we round it out. Perfect. Nice and gently come back to center. We're going to sit forward a little bit more on the chair here. Make sure your bottom stays nice and secure. Knees are directly above your ankles and we're going to go into camel pose. So we're going to be rolling the shoulders and going into a bit of a deep back bend here. So we're going to place the hands behind us on the chair. So wherever you can grab comfortably on the back of the chair, you're going to grab. We're going to roll the shoulders back. We're going to lift the sternum up towards the sky and we're going to press the pelvis forward, pressing the hips forward into that back bend. Wonderful. We're going to hold this position. We're going to really focus in on the low back. Inhaling deeply. Exhale, let it go. Perfect. Inhale as you really gently straighten up your spine. Place your hands on your knees and slide all the way down for a forward fold. Let the head hang forward. Let your back just gently stretch out. Just take a nice full breath in. Lovely, releasing any of that stiffness or tension. Perfect. Inhale, slide yourself all the way back up into a nice straight spine. And we're going to go back to that camel pose. So hands are going to come behind us again. Grab the back of the chair. Roll your shoulders as you lift your sternum, pressing the hips forward, like kind of rocking them forwards. Lovely. Little gaze up. Think about the low back here. If you have any back issues, don't press your hips too far forward. Think about your back. Listen to your body. Breathe in deeply. Let it go, nice and gently. Perfect. Take an inhale, really slowly kind of straighten up the spine. Hands come to the knees again. We slide down, forward fold, stretch it out. Lovely, stretch out that spine. Perfect. And then inhale, slide yourself all the way back up. We're going to go one more of those. So hands behind the back of you again, grabbing the chair. Roll the shoulders as you lift the sternum. Press the hips forward. Lovely. We are breathing into the low back. We are letting it go. One more. Big breath in. You're staying here a little bit longer. Let it go. Inhale, gently press yourself into an upright position. Hands to the knees. We slide down, forward fold. Again, just allowing that back to stretch out. Kind of notice how it feels here. Let those arms and shoulders be nice and relaxed, as well as the head and the neck. Last breath. Breathe in. Let it go. Perfect. Inhale, slide yourself all the way back up. Perfect. Into a twist now. So you can stay exactly where you are. Left hand, you're going to take it to the outside of the right leg. Try not to, because you're going to press your hand against your leg. Try not to let your leg kind of collapse in. Keep it where it is. Take a little twist to that right side. Right hand grabs the side or the back of the chair, wherever's accessible. And then use both hands, one on the leg, one on the chair, to pull you deeper into the twist. But first of all, let's take a nice big breath. Get tall. And then as we exhale, if you can, go a little deeper into the twist. If you can't, don't worry, stay exactly where you are. Maybe take a little look behind you or towards that right shoulder. And then just allow your belly to soften here. Let it go. If you're pulling it in, if you're pulling the navel in, let it go. Breathe into the twist. Breathe into the spine. Perfect. One more. Let it go. Excellent. Inhale nice and deeply and slowly, slowly unravel the spine so you come back to center. Let the spine straighten up and then we'll take it to the other side. So right hand comes to the outside of that left leg. Again, don't let that left leg collapse in. Nice and slowly we turn to the left side. Left hand grabs the chair wherever's comfortable. Inhale, get long. And then exhale. Take that twist a little deeper if you can. Belly is soft. We don't want to hold any unnecessary tension here, so make sure you're not clenching your jaw or screwing up your toes or something like that. Breathe into the spine. Lovely, last breath here. Perfect. And then inhale nice and deeply, slowly, slowly unravel the spine. Okay, you can just slide yourself back just a little bit here. So a little bit of mountain breathing. And then we're going to come to the end of this practice. Inhale, taking the arms up. Exhale into a forward fold over the legs. Lovely. Feel the back stretch out. Big inhale, we rise all the way up. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, forward fold. Big inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, forward fold. And then inhale, rise all the way up. Lovely. Hands to heart. This is your last one. Inhale, take it up. And then exhale into your forward fold over the legs. Big inhale, rise all the way up. Reach, reach, reach. And exhale, hands to heart center. Slide yourself all the way to the back of your chair, but make sure that your spine stays nice and tall here. So, you can be fully supported, but try not to slouch. Try to be nice and tall. If you need support of a pillow, then pop one there. Okay, so we're going to do some box breathing. So we're going to take an inhale for 4. We're going to hold for 4. We're going to exhale for 4. We're going to hold for 4. and we're just going to continue. So it's like this little box breathing. Okay, so inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Let go of the box breathing and just gently allow your breath to return back to normal. You can close your eyes here, relax to the back of the chair, let your shoulders relax, let your belly relax. And just take a few moments in stillness as you just focus on your natural rhythm of breathing. So we've moved a little slower today. We've found a deeper connection to our breath. We don't always have to strain or do vigorous movement. We can find gentle, easy, soft movement to just allow us to feel a little calmer and a little more centered. Whenever you're ready, take a little wiggle of your fingers, a wiggle of your toes, a deep breath in through the nose and a sigh out through your mouth. And then whenever you're ready, sitting up nice and tall. That brings us to the close of day 5 of the Begin Again Chair Yoga series. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you're feeling a little calmer today. If you did enjoy this session, give it a little like and be sure to leave me a comment, and I will see you for tomorrow's session, day 6, which will be strength and balance. And tomorrow we'll actually be using the chair to stand up. So I hope you join me then. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.